Hello guys, welcome to the kingdom of Sonu Saab. For those people who don't know me yet, I am Sonu Saab. And yes, this is the first time I'm coming in front of the camera in YouTube. Until now, you may have only seen my screen sharing and heard my voice. But today I felt that it's time to connect with you personally. Okay, so I started with helping you guys in your labs, sharing the code in GitHub on Telegram, and creating the content related to Wipro. Finance content is very less in the channel right now because I'm busy in exploring and learning and even MTech studies and labs. Okay, and we are working in Wipro also, so project related work is also there. I'm trying to stay consistent in YouTube and bring more valuable videos for you. Also, I know the camera quality is not that great at this moment, but definitely this also can be improved later. That's how I just start somehow, guys, and then improve it later. This is the model I'm on working with. Just start somehow and then improve it later. Improving the channel little by little, step by step, guys. I am here now. Okay. If you have been watching my videos, guys, thank you for your support. If my content is helping you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support really means a lot to me. So today's topic is related to MediBuddy, guys. A lot of you have been asking me how to order medicines, how to book the lab test, how to get the prescription, how to get reimbursement, what are the conditions, what is the process. Okay, so in this video, I will guide you through the full process step by step. Let's go to the screen directly. Let's search MediBuddy in Google. MediBuddy login. Now we will do login. Now we have to click on the I have a corporate account. Login this first time or if you already registered, okay. Then click on the proceed. Now it will ask for OTP, so write the OTP. Now click on sign in. So yes, it worked. You can read the disclaimer guide that cashless only services are for annual health checkup and spectacles, okay. And for everything you need a prescription for anything. So as of New Year, you must have got the 15,000 in your wallet, or if you have created the new account, so it will take 2 working days, and within that period, you will get according to your policy whatever amount is there in the policy will get. For scholar trainees is 15,000 only, okay, but we can use it only in 3 sections, and 3 sections are this online consultation, talking to a doctor, buying the medicine or from the counter or by paying here online and then get the reimbursement, and the lab test only if the doctor prescribes you. Anything apart from this are not covered. Vision care is not covered, but for full-time employees I will create a separate video that how to buy the from frames and lens from the lens cart and how to do the cashless transaction for this. Booking the doctor appointment, dental and all other things, guys, are not in our policy. So that's it, the simple website. You can add your Ava Health ID here. I have already added. So this is the last year policy. Okay. If your claim is from the last year, check the order date or anything. You want claim, so you have to switch here and then proceed. But if you have registered now, you will get only this. This is the 26th, 27th year. Okay. This is the latest policy, and here we have 15,000. If I show you this amount wallet will be different. Okay. I have used some, so that's why it is there. So talking to a doctor means, guys, it shows the doctor whatever issues you are having. Search the doctor. You will get their details as well, how much they have studied, what is the qualification and all, and then you will get all this list, whoever you have consulted till now, and then they will call you. Okay, it will be a video call where the doctor will speak to you personally. Okay, so talk to him, share your symptoms, whatever issues you are facing, whatever pain you are having, and then they will give you a prescription in the chat section only. Okay, here when you click it, suppose this. So let me give 5 star here to him. Okay, now see the chat will be like, good morning, any questions? I have shared some files to him. And then he said, tell me more about your problems. Okay, okay, okay. Then he gives a prescription. Okay. The prescription will contain, I will show you the prescription. Let's see. Here is the example of the prescription I got for hair falling. Okay. So I got the prescription be like this. So four prescription or medicines are there for me, and the doses and all are given, and the instructions. Okay, so drug allergies are not known, so he didn't do. If any lab test he recommend, so it will appear here. Okay, but for me no test. And follow up is 2 week or 3 days, whatever they will give. Or if they have anything extra suggestions, so they will give you a doctor's advice section will be there, and they will write something manually. Okay, that's it, the report is completed. This is called the proper prescription provided by the MediBuddy's doctor. And further I can show you blood report and all. So blood report is also uploaded automatically the same day or next day. So it will be like this. They check the calcium, they check magnesium and all. Okay. So you can see everything is done. How the lab test work? You have to, you got this, okay, prescription. Then there will be pop-up to add the medicines to the cart and order it. Okay. And even book the lab test from the prescription. It will be automatically showing you the pop-up here, okay? It will be added to the cart automatically and you can pay, check what is cashless or not. Upload the, let me show you guys, let me show you. So 7 items in the cart, click on the view cart. I have even delivered some medicines. So this is the address, this is the total. So some of the thing you have to pay from your pocket and get the reimbursement later. Okay, and some will be cashless. Like if you given you prescription of this. Let me show you the real example. See, doctor have prescribed me this and it's of online payment only. But for this is the cashless. So this cashless amount will be deducted from my wallet. Okay, and then you have to pay here whatever amount is there for the online payment section, and for others you have to pay from the cashless corporate wallet. Okay, so here is the review items, removing the out of stock items. So yes, remove it. So yes, you have a prescription, now upload it. Or if you don't have any prescription, start the consultation with the correct doctor, and then they will prescribe the correct medicines for you. And then let me upload it anything here, guys. So suppose I uploaded MediBuddy data, a hair fall, whatever is there, just upload it, and then select the beneficiary and then mail and all. Then click on the checkout. Now I see lot of things got paid from my corporate wallet, and the remaining he says that pay from your UPI or credit debit card. Okay, we can get the reimbursement later as the doctor have already prescribed. If it is as per the policy, then they will reimburse you. So directly pay it. I am not paying anything. I will go back. I will go back. Now how to get the reimbursement? Click on the reimbursement. Check the order date, okay, of the medicines. For last year, go to 25-26. For current year, go to the 26-27. Okay, so click the right date or year. Click create the claim. Select the beneficiary, 7 continue. Add the bill type, it is a doctor consultation you did or you ordered some prescribed pharmacy medicines and all. Dental remit, it is not covered, so I will not do anything. So we have only all this. Lab test and all also is covered. So Doctor consultation in clinic or online is covered. Pharmacy over the counter or ordered from MediBuddy is covered. And prescribed lab test from uh, this MediBuddy or offline, both are covered. Okay. So fill the detail guides, whatever you have, all this lab name, pin code, ailment, what issues you have had, related to what infection or issues. Okay. If you select medicine, then it will be about pharmacy name, address, bill amount. Okay. And then doctor consultation, also clinic name, doctor name, what issues, illness you had, bill date, when bill amount, total bill amount, suppose this. Now upload the bill invoice and save and continue. Let me upload anything. Click on the save and continue and it will be sent back for review, and within 2 days your order, I mean your reimbursement will be approved or rejected. Okay. I made one claim in last year, so let's check this. Track the claim, click on the track claim. See, raised for the payment, claim is 1140 and then it is approved. Okay, so that's it guys for MediBuddy. You can also see the wallet transactions. I have not done here, but it is visible how to track the order. Let me tell you. So see here, scroll down. Here is the track order for labs. See, so the labs are uploaded for me. 2 times I did the lab, 6 lab test, and here is 1 lab test. These all are the dates. You can download the report as well for each lab test. Okay. They come at home for the sample collection. They will collect your blood. If fasting is needed, there will be some guidance that 7 hours or 12 hours, 24 hours fasting is required. Okay, so follow that. And tracking your medicines will be like go back. Now go to the track order. Medicines. See, some are delivered, some are cancelled. Okay. I cancelled, they didn't. Okay. I did cancel due to wrong details or anything. Now go back. We can check wallet transaction as well. Click here. Scroll down, click on wallet transactions. Whatever lab test, consultation and all you have done. Reimbursement amount is also blocked. After the claim approval, it will be deducted from the wallet because they are paying. You got the reimbursement. It means you are paying from your corporate wallet. Okay. So that will be also blocked. After the approval amount will be blocked. Okay. That's it guys. All the features are explained how to do. Full website is explored. Okay. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. Till then, bye. Bye bye. Thank you very much.